If learning how to build an online income in 2026 is something that's been quietly sitting on the back of your mind, maybe you're curious, but you want clear step-by-step picture, not hype or overwhelm, then my friend, grab your bevy, pull up a chair, and come sit with me for a minute, because today I want to walk you through the best ways to build online income based on what's actually worked for me after trying a bunch of things that didn't work and finally learning what really mattered. And one of those things really surprised me because it's not what most people start with. If we haven't met yet, my name is Wendy. I am grandma from Ontario, Canada. My grandkids call me Glammy. And a few years ago, my husband and I had that bit of a reality check. Like we were, and I say this very lovingly about ourselves, we were stupid short for retirement. Like, okay, this isn't going to magically fix itself type of short. I just knew I wanted a different way to earn. So when I looked at earning online, it was really appealing to me. I didn't want longer hours at work, and I didn't want more stress, and I definitely didn't want to feel chained to one place or one schedule like I was at my job. I just wanted to figure out how to earn differently in a way that actually fit the season of life that I'm in right now. And listen, I didn't figure this out overnight. I tried a bunch of things that didn't work. Lost money on my journey. Some were confusing, some were very complicated, and some just didn't feel like a good fit for me. But over time, I learned what actually matters, the foundations that make money online income work as a realistic, doable way. And that's exactly what I want to share with you, my friend, today. Now, I want to start with this step first because even though it's not always the very first thing that you will do, I'm starting here because once you understand this piece, everything else that we talk about will make more sense. It helps you to work kind of backwards and plan the rest properly. So step one, yes, you do need to sell something online. And what you sell does matter. Now, don't get all freaked out about, oh no, I gotta sell something. All right, let's talk about what you can actually sell. Because what you choose to sell affects how much time it takes, how complicated it feels day to day, and how much of your sale that you actually get to keep, right? You want to keep more of the money, not be giving it away. Those things really matter if you don't want this to feel like another full-time job. Most people end up choosing between physical products and digital products. So let's break these down. Here's some real examples of what physical products that I personally tried. And they're anything from like Amazon products, print on demand like t-shirts or mugs, Etsy products, and Shopify stores. Yes, people absolutely make money this way. And I want to be really, really clear here. I've personally done this myself. I've done print on demand, creating designs and selling them on products like t-shirts and other items. And I've also done affiliate marketing with Amazon, where you earn a commission when somebody purchases through your Amazon link. So I'm not sharing this from theory. I've actually lived it. But here's what often gets overlooked. When you're selling Amazon products as an affiliate, you're typically earning anywhere between 3 and 6% per sale, which is nice, a little bit of money. So if you sell a $100 product, you might make between $3 and $6. Now that means you need to sell a lot of those products, right? In order to make a decent income. Print on demand sounds fun on the surface, and I did enjoy creating the designs and uploading it, but behind the scenes, you're dealing with things like platform fees, like your Shopify store, production costs, shipping, returns, and customer service. And again, the percentage that you keep per sale is lower, which means that you need constant volume to make it worthwhile. When you're already tired, busy, and working full time, that pressure can get exhausting, right? And at this stage of my life, especially being like where we were, short for retirement, grandparents, I didn't want something that required constant managing just to, make a bit of money. So for me, simplicity mattered. And that's when I realized something really important, that physical products and affiliate links to physical products can be great as layers of income, but they're not what I would use as my main source of income. Digital products work very, very differently. These are things that people can download or access online, kind of like checklists, guides, templates, short workshops, training resources. Once they're created, there's no inventory, no shipping, no restocking, and no returns. Because there are fewer expenses involved, you typically keep a much higher percentage of each sale, aside from basic platform or payment processing fees like PayPal or Square or whatever. And that also means that you don't need the same level of volume to make it worthwhile because you're making more of the profit. Digital products also can grow with you. You might start small, like a simple guide, and over time move into bigger things like a course or memberships. For example, one of my own digital products is a course, and it's called the YouTube to Profits. Now, over Black Friday, that single digital product brought me in just over $27,000 in sales. I'm sharing that to show you the power of digital products once you understand the skills behind them. And for me, that came after learning the foundation, not before, right? I built up to that. So the next thing that's vitally important is to have an email list. Why is an email list important? An email list is really just a way to stay connected with people who raise their hand and say, hey, I want to learn more from you. Now, social media is great, but it can be unpredictable. An email list gives you a place that you actually own, where you can show up consistently and build trust over time, educate people on what it is that you do. The easiest way to start building your email list is with a simple free resource, what most people call a freebie. And let me say this right away, like a freebie does not need to be complicated. It needs to be simple. It can be like a checklist, a one-page guide, a simple roadmap, a short resource list, something that helps people take one small step forward in learning what you do, giving them an action step, something like that. So when someone signs up for your freebie, they're basically saying, this is helpful and I want more of this. And those are the people that you want to keep talking to. So once someone joins your email list, you can welcome them. You can share stories, you can send them helpful tips, you can explain what you offer. There's no pressure to sell anything at all right away. You are just strictly building relationships and educating people further on information that they want. For me, having a freebie changed everything. Instead of trying to explain my whole business model in a social media post or one video, I could slow down, teach properly, and let people decide in their own time what works for them. So it made everything feel more relaxed and more aligned with me. And once I had this part in place, I realized something else, that none of it worked smoothly without the next piece. And that is automation, or what I like to call my freedom machine. Automation sounds fancy and techy, but honestly, it's just setting things up once so they can run without you having to babysit them all day. So instead of consistently sending links, answering the same questions over and over again, or feeling like you can never unplug, your system handles the basics for you. And that changed everything for me. It's what really gave me my time back. So at its core, my freedom system delivers my freebie automatically, welcomes new people, sends helpful emails, connects people to what I offer, and nothing aggressive, nothing spammy, just a simple setup that works quietly in the background. So let me tell you a little simple story here. So if you're Canadian like me, you know exactly what February feels like. It's friggin' cold. There's so much snow and you're so tired of it. So my family and I packed up and headed to Florida. It was a kind of a gift that I gave everybody, and it was kind of on my bucket list. So one day we were sitting at the water park. My grandkids were running around. The sun was shining. I was in flip-flops instead of boots, which already was a real win-win for me. I wasn't working on my business. I was working on my tan, and I was fully present making memories. And every once in a while, my phone buzzed. People were signing up, emails were being sent, and sales were happening. Not constantly, but consistently, because the system was already built. That's the power of having automation. Now let's be clear, this doesn't mean you do nothing. You still have to learn the skills, set things up properly, and bring people into your system. But once it's in place, your business supports your life instead of constantly pulling you away from it. I really call it my freedom machine. So once your freedom machine is in place, the final step is deciding how people are going to find you. I tried being everywhere, posting on all the platforms and always being on. And while that can work, what I noticed for myself was simple. It took more time, more of my energy, and more pressure. Once I discovered YouTube, it changed all that. For long-form videos where you can actually teach and evergreen content that keeps working long after you hit that publish button. This is why YouTube is such a powerful, powerful platform for building online income long term. So instead of chasing people, my videos started bringing people to me. So if learning how to create an income in the online space for 2026 is something that you're ready to get serious about, I want to invite you to my Passions to Profits workshop. Inside this 3-day workshop, we're going to walk through the steps on how to discover what you can start with, how you can turn what you love into your first freebie, and how you can set up a complete automated freedom machine. This is the same framework that I use to build a 7-figure online business by learning the skills and applying them consistently. You will find the link in the description below, my friend. So once you've discovered that one idea or passion, the next question naturally becomes, how can I turn this one idea into multiple different income streams? Well, my friend, that is exactly what I cover in this video right here. So you're going to want to have a watch of that, and I'll see you over there, my friend.